You buy bananas, you expect to eat them all when they're still yellow and yummy, and then all of a sudden they turn brown. You can only make banana bread so many times. What do you do with overripe bananas? Hi, I'm Nica and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We're gonna make energy bites using an overripe banana. Easy. What you're doing is you're taking a banana, nice overripe one. You can double this if you want to. If you've got a hungry crew, this would be good for sundowners, all kinds of things. I'm going to squish up said banana. Potato mashers for this kind of thing. Totally do. And I have this is a 1/3 of a cup measure because I'm going to do a 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. I'm doing about a 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. Yeah, nice overdone. Have on your boat as you're going. Going with about a 1/3 of a cup of honey. I can do honey. I could do, let's see, I could do honey, I could do maple syrup. Adding some sweet, and I'm just gonna keep mixing it. These are raw bites. They're not, you don't have to cook these at all. That's why I mashed the banana to begin with. And then I'm actually gonna get my hands in there and totally get them nice and mixed in. Then I'm gonna form them into balls. And that's the whole thing. These will be, actually, this will be a whole lot better if you let it sit for a couple of hours. These will be better if you can refrigerate them, because they'll stick together a little better. But if you can't, really, really yummy. And you've got easy passage bites. I'm gonna run out of space on my plate. I didn't do a very good job planning this one. Nope, I did not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I was hoping I was gonna get about 20 on this plate, but put it in the fridge. Dong, dong, dong. Totally as is. Honey, cinnamon, banana, peanut butter. Who could ask for anything more when you're waking up in the morning, the end of a night watch, and you're just ready for a little bit of energy? Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like, tell your friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves overripe bananas or energy bites or things that you can make when you don't have to turn on the stove, or anything delicious and chocolatey and perfect. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most delicious week.
All right. What is it?
Are you filming it?
It looks.
It's a banana.
Is it?
Have you ever
You gotta turn it the other way around.
had a banana?
No, not that way.
Banana?
No.
Banana.